Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your My TV is not working on your smart TV, whether it is not loading, whether it is crashing or stuck buffering, this is usually a device, app or network related issue. So My5 depends on the stable internet connection, updated TV software and proper apps data. If any of these fail, the app is not going to work properly. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. After that, you just have to wait for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in and turn the TV on. This particular step is going to clear the temporary system bugs. After doing so, you can also check the internet stability. If you have found that your internet connection is not stable at all, you can just simply restart your router, and you can also restart your device or Ethernet and ensure that your connection is stable. Now you can also go to the TV applications app store and then check for any kind of updates. The outdated applications often stop working properly. So you can go to the TV's settings as well, then go to system and then look for the option of system update as well, because the outdated firmware can also break the compatibility with the apps like My5. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your My5 is working properly again on your TV. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.